Jason. All right, guys, here we go. This is going to be 2019-2020 Prizm Retail Box Break number 001. Let's roll through the team owners over here. We got the Hawks going to Ellie. Celtics going to Spears. Nets going to Patrick, if I say the last name. Hornets, Kaput. Bulls, J-Tac. Cavs, Cleveland Indians. Cavs going to Ellie. Mavs going to Drew S. Nuggets going to Dave. Boston, Kostler. Golden State, Greg. Houston, we got Paulie Walnuts. Pacers going to Una. Clippers going to Tarzan.
I see an app called Una. You could try searching the App Store.
What? Siri, I don't know.
Sorry.
That was weird. Siri, don't listen to me on Tarzan. Lakers, Tarzan. Grizzlies, Goldie. Heat, Greg F. Bucks, JK. Timberwolves, Chris M. Pelicans, Drew S. Knicks, Drew S. Thunder, we got Erica. Orlando, Kentaro. Philly, Sixers going to Ellie. Suns going to Facalio. Trailblazers, Rip City, baby, going to Cam. Kings, Dave. Spurs, Antonio. Or is that Archie? Toronto, Penzito. Utah, Facalio. Wizards going to Dachi. Yeah, Siri was tripping. Siri's like, yo. I was like, Siri, chill. Relax. One, two, three, four, five, six. One, two, three, four. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. You guys want me to wear gloves so I don't fingerprint the... You guys want me to wear gloves so I don't fingerprint the cards? The Prizms? I meant to do that with ingrain too. And the O-Pee-Chee Plats. Ingrain doesn't really catch them that much, but still. Ingrained is pretty good. The material on it. O-Pee-Chee Plat in this, though, is one thing. All right, guys, good luck. Here we go. Try to see the focus. Sabonis. And we got hyped. Hyped. Damian Lillard. Rip City. We got a rookie, Jordan Poole. His ancestors used to go swimming all the time. And nothing. And we got a silver Cam Johnson impact. This rookie kid. This kid is sick for the Suns, dude. This kid is dope. These are backwards, bro. There we go. And we got a green Chris Paul for the Rockets. Yo, Paulie, get over here with the green. And we got Tremont Waters rookie for Boston. Yo, Tremont. We got a silver Jahlil Okafor Pelicans. Tremont. What's he got in his hair? Oh, this is sick looking. These are dope. Terrence Ross, Orlando Magic. Terrence Ross for the Magic. Don't know if he's any good, but the card looks sick. Yo, give me your car. Give me your money now. Do what I say. I broke a blood vessel in my eye, too. I bet it looks even better with the blood vessel popped. Dominance for the Nuggets. Jamal Murray. I was messing with my wife. I'm like, what are you looking at? And my eye blood vessel was completely popped. My son's like, don't look at me. Rui Hachimura. Emergent. I guess one of the top rookies. And rookie Romeo Langford for Boston. And a rookie Ignas Brazdeikis for the New York Knicks. And a silver rookie of Davidos Servitis Pistons. Have no idea, but it is a silver. This guy's about, what, 15 points per game or something like that. Dominance, Kyrie Irving for Boston. Yo, Kyrie. Same guy. Davidas Pistons again. And we got the new guy, Instant Impact, PJ Washington for the Hornets. Ooh, nice rookie for Atlanta, Cam Reddish. It's a good one. One of the more popular ones, Cam Reddish. And we got a nice green Otto Porter Jr. for the Bulls. Nice one for the Bulls. Don't know if this guy's any good, but the color's cool. Rookie of Mafundu Kambageli, or whatever you say it, for the Clips. We got an auto, I believe, of PJ Tucker for the Houston Rockets. PJ. His ancestors used to make certain clothing for people to wear before they go to bed. It was very unusual back then. Back in the 1600s. Actually, I'm sorry, it was the 1200s. And we got Bruno Caboclo Grizzlies. Red Wave. PJ is good, Jay? Jay said PJ is good. And we got Miles Bridges with the Hornets. Hate the resolution being this low. And Steph Curry. And we got Kobe Bryant, NBA finalist. Kobe Bryant for the Lakers, NBA finalist. I forgot his percentage. I think his percentage is 15% in the last 7 days, 40% in the last 30 days, I believe. Rise in value. And we got a silver of Dennis Schroeder. Oklahoma City Thunder. Not sure what's in his hair, but might be air or something. And dominance, Joel Embiid, 76ers. And we got Matthias Thybulle, instant impact for the Sixers. Thybulle? That's how you say it? Thybulle? And we got Ty Jerome for the Suns rookie. He looks young. And Mo Bamba for the Magic. Mo Bamba. I thought that was Kobe Bryant's nickname. Was he named after that? And we got a silver rookie of Tremont Waters. Oh, Black Mamba. That's right. That's right. Ooh, palming it. He's like, I can palm the ball with one hand. Can you? Isaiah Roby, Mavericks. Isaiah. And Isaiah Thomas for the Wizards. Isaiah Thomas Jr. or what? Is this the infamous Isaiah's kid? Red Wave. good old days. Going to the Nuggets, Isaiah. Should be with Detroit. Emergent. Nikhil Alexander Walker. Pelicans. Boy, McGrady's gotten... Tracy McGrady's put on some weight. Wow. He looks a lot different, dude. I don't even recognize him. We got hyped, Giannis, for the Bucks. And Jalen McDaniels, rookie, for the Hornets. Oh, nice rookie for the Capitals. I mean, Wizards. Rui Hachimura. Nice one for the Wiz. Going to the Wizard of Oz. And a silver of Bruce Brown, Detroit. Bruce Brown. Good luck. Here we go. Quindary Witherspoon for the Spurs. Emergent Goga Batazzi. Pacers. And that is it for the retail, guys. One auto. We had a couple Reddish, I believe, and if I'm not mistaken, Jason Reddish and Hachimura were the main rookies, I believe. Red Wave, Bamba, Silver, Kobe, Bridges, Otto Porter Jr. I thought he might have been on the list. There's Cam Reddish. I don't know. There's a lot of variations, too. This kid's a stud, Cam Johnson. All right, guys, thank you so much. We've got Optic, Retail, and Hobby on the site. We'll have another one of these for tomorrow. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. We got multiple breaks on deck. Thank you, everybody. Sorry if you had a bad break on that one. Is that not how you say it, Jason?